Hey, what's poppin' in my yo? You know how this New Year's is going down. I'm ready to take this winter coat off. Come get busy, you heard me? Sobe Live, New Year's Eve. Have your New Year's resolution together. You heard me? My New Year's resolution is 20 bottles every time I step in the club for 2012. You heard me? That's Sobe Live, New Year's Eve. Your boy Jones is in the building. You heard me? We going hard. Pop champagne.
This New Year's Eve, it's all about the celebrations, bottle popping, ball drops, and it's love and hip-hop superstar Jim Jones, and he'll be at Sobe Live exclusively for New Year's Eve. Jim Jones, tell him what it is.
Yo, what's poppin'? This is your boy Jones, Jim Jones. I will be in MIA, yo. Sobe Live New Year's Eve, you know how it's going down. Let the ball drop. We doing it live. Saturday, December 31st, Sobe Live. Your boy Jones will be in there going absolutely stupid. High heels, red bottoms, a lot of cash. Y'all know the rules.
That's right, it's Jim Jones and his celebrity friend from the hit show Love and Hip Hop, and they'll be at Sobe Live, bringing in the New Year right. Nobody does it like Sobe Live with a 3-hour premium open bar, a catered gourmet buffet, plus music by BET DJ Q45. This is guaranteed to sell out, so lock it in this Saturday, December 31st for the ultimate celebration with Jim Jones. Tickets are available at newyears.com/Sobe Live or call 305-725-3353.
Be clear, DJ Q45 BET. I will be New Year's Eve real big.
Anytime I'm in Miami, I always make sure I come through and bless Sobe Live. Happy New Year.
This is Ludacris representing, shouting out to Sobe Live.
Busta Rhymes, Sobe Live.
Yo, this is Shaggy. It's a lover. One up, every time, Sobe Live.
What it do with your boy, Yo Gotti, Paris King, one time to Sobe Live.
It is your boy, Jadakiss, live, right here, Sobe Live. You know that's the hottest club on the strip, baby.
Y'all already know what it is. Big Boy Sobe Live.
It's your girl Diamond, aka Miss 32 Flavors. We did Sobe Live.
Yo, what's up? This is Trill OG, repping UGK for life. Bun B, we live at Sobe Live back here.
We live. Sobe Live, what it do?
Sobe Live, NRE.
It's your boy Raekwon the Chef. We live at Sobe Nightclub.
Man, it's the Kid Capri.
We're here with the two greatest entertainers ever to put on the turntables, microphone, and all that crazy.
Did you hear that?
By